In order to create an Epic Games account, you need to first go ahead and open a web browser on your computer or your laptop or any device you're using. Then simply search for Epic Games. Then go to store.epicgames.com. You'll be taken to the official homepage of Epic Games. Now, from this page, you need to go ahead and tap on Sign in the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to the login portal. Here, you'll get the option of create an account that is highlighted in blue color. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to the sign-in portal where you need to simply go ahead and enter your email address in this field. Or you can also go ahead and directly sign in with your Google account, your Steam, Apple, Facebook, Lego, or Autodesk as well. Go ahead, enter your email address, tap on continue, and then you need to set a password and go through the on-screen instructions. Choose the Google account that you want to sign in with. Go through the on-screen instructions, enter your date of birth, then tap on continue. Here, you need to enter your email address, your first name, your last name, your display name as well, enter your country, and check this box of all the terms and conditions, then tap on continue again. Now, simply enter the 6-digit security code that has been sent to your specific email address. Go ahead, copy the code, come back and paste it over here, and then tap on continue. Now you can go ahead and link your Xbox network, PlayStation network, or Nintendo account as well. If you're done linking, go ahead and tap on done linking. And once you've done this, your account is created. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.